Hello. Today we're going to learn the present continuous tense. We use the present continuous to talk about actions that are happening now or around now and are not finished yet. Let's start with an example. Marie is in her car. She is on her way to work. We say, she is driving to work. This means she is driving now, at the time of speaking. The action has started, but it is not finished. The present continuous is formed like this: am, is, or are, plus verb with ing. I am walking. She is driving. They are studying. When you say, I am doing something, it means you are in the middle of doing it. You started it, you haven't finished it yet. Very often, the action is happening right now. For example, please don't make so much noise. I'm sleeping. Where's Allison? She's having a bath. Let's go out now. It isn't raining anymore. At a party, you might ask, are you enjoying the party? And when you're tired, you say, I'm going to bed now. Good night. But the action is not always happening at the exact moment of speaking. Listen to this example. John says, I'm reading an interesting book at the moment. John is not reading right now. He started the book, but he hasn't finished it yet. He is in the middle of reading it. Here are more examples. She wants to work in Italy, so she's learning Italian. Some friends are building their own house. They started, but it isn't finished yet. We also use the present continuous for temporary situations. For example, you're working hard today. Is Carmen working this week? These situations are not permanent. They are temporary. Finally, we use the present continuous to talk about changes happening around now. For example, the population of the world is rising very fast. Is your English getting better? These actions show development and change. So let's review. We use the present continuous when an action is happening now, an action is happening around now, an action is not finished, something is temporary, something is changing. That's the present continuous. In the next lesson, we'll compare present simple and present continuous and learn when to use each one correctly. See you soon!